Dear Diary, it's time to catch you up on this week's episode of Maite's Life. Hey whores, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is a whole different type of vlog. This is the first of the first, hopefully not the last, but welcome to my St. Thomas vlog. Going to St. Thomas USVI, and I say we because me and my boyfriend are going. We're gonna go see his grandmother, but like he's gonna go see his grandmother, I'm going for vacation. All I know is that they live very close to a beach, so we're gonna be at that beach every day. We're gonna try to ride the shuttle, I think it's called safari. We're gonna ride the safari. We're gonna go to the mall, we're gonna go to the beaches, we're gonna do everything, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, I did my hair on Saturday, June 15th, and then I did my nails on Sunday, the 16th. I'm gonna go do my lashes today. I'm gonna shave my face today. I have a lot to do today. Today is Thursday, June 20th, and I leave tomorrow, Friday, June 21st. So, yeah, I did everything last minute. I had a small bag because we are flying Frontier, and as you guys know, or if you haven't seen on freaking TikTok, Frontier gives you a hard time. If your bag doesn't fit in the personal section, you have to pay $100. What? But whatever. We're flying Frontier. We don't want to have any struggles, so we went everywhere looking for an 18-inch bag so that it fits. It was a hassle. We got this ugly ass bag, but whatever, it'll do. It's really tiny, so if you guys are gonna fly Frontier, just know that. So yeah, so our flight, we're leaving New York at 5 a.m. get to Puerto Rico at I believe 9 a.m. and then from Puerto Rico we have to stay there from 9 a.m. to like 2:30 p.m. a whole day at Puerto Rico. The whole work day at Puerto Rico, but whatever. Then from Puerto Rico from 2:30 to like 3:30, an hour flight to St. Thomas USVI. You know, just make my list of what I got to do today. I need to go wash my clothes, go pick up something from my grandmother's house, go downstairs to the office to make sure I sign the lease for this year. I'm gonna repack my bag just to make sure I have everything in there, and I'm gonna do my lashes, I'm gonna shave my face, and lastly, just to leave it for all last, do my brother's hair before I leave for my flight. Get money. He's chilling. Boba's under the table over here. Oh my god, I didn't show you guys my house. I was gonna make a vlog of like re-renovating my home, because before, we live in a project building, by the way. Before, it looked so dull and ratchet. The floors look so cheap. I don't know, but now I put like this lacing on the wall. You can't really see it, but I put this lacing on the wall, right? And then the mirrors on top. I changed the fabric to our couches because they were blue, and I added this brown fabric on top, and the tiles. See, before our floor was like, I'm gonna show you my room. That's what our floors looked like before. Just this ugly tile that was very hard to clean. Even if you scrubbed it 1,000 times, it still looked like somebody just walked past your stuff. I'm about to make myself a nice coffee and get my morning started because I have a lot to do. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you do, subscribe to keep along with my journey of life, honestly. So hold on. I forgot to tell you guys, we were supposed to get a ride to the airport. My boyfriend's ride canceled on us, I guess. I don't know. We didn't call on time. I don't know. But now we have to take the train. Our flight leaves at 5 a.m. So that means we have to leave our crib at like, we have to get to the airport at 3:30. So we have to leave my house at like midnight or like at 1 in the morning to get there on time. This whole flight was last minute, and it stressed me because I hate doing last minute things. Like when it comes to like planning things, I'm like super duper controlling. Like my head just itches from thinking about it. Once we get there, I better be vacationing like I'm the queen of the world. You know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all. I'm gonna shave my face first. Shave my face, wash my face, do my lashes. Then skincare. And I'm watching Too Hot to Handle season 2.
You're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting around you. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting around you. No more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Without you, without you, I keep on running back to you. I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me.
That's it. I'm gonna wash my face.
I'm a part-time model. I bartend too. My girl, bartend. Not too picky. They just have to have.
And I'm weak 'cause I need you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me when it all remains the same. That you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change.
Make sure scrub for a minute. I already added like 3 lashes. I forgot I was recording.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you?
Let me talk to you guys when I'm done with my lashes because I can barely see it.
This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, grassland side by side.
A lot of sunscreen.
Making my lady, girl, you amaze me. Ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot.
Skincare's done. Let's get ready to go wash. Time to go wash. Cart ready. Vámonos. So I'm gonna go wash and my boyfriend's gonna go pick up what I need to pick up from grandma's house, and then we're gonna come back, fold our clothes, put everything away where it needs to go, because tomorrow we're leaving for a trip. y'all, I'm walking the opposite direction of my boyfriend. He went to go pick up the package like I told you guys, and I'm walking to the laundromat. I just saw a burnt up car at the corner, and I know my mom texted me this morning and she was telling me how she smelled smoke, but she didn't know if it was in our building or, sorry, I'm on a bumpy road, bumpy sidewalk. She didn't know if it was in our building or like somewhere nearby, but she was like, just be attentive because it smells like smoke. And there's usually like fires in the buildings nearby. It was just completely burnt up, and people are just over there picking parts of it or whatever. I'll show you guys when I'm walking back home, but right now I'm walking to the laundromat. See you guys when I'm over there because this sidewalk is very bumpy. Well, it turns out the laundromat I was walking to is closed. My boyfriend just literally, instead of going to my grandma's, he went to go check on the bike and just snuck up on me over here to tell me that it was closed. So now I'm walking to another laundromat at a different location, but since I'm walking this way again, I'm gonna show you guys the car that's burnt up if I could. I have to walk on the street though because they have the whole sidewalk covered up with all this shit. Ooh, right over here. I don't know if you can see it. That stinks. Smells like burnt car. Did y'all see it? That shit was burnt in the street. Smells like just burnt everything. Burnt rubber, burnt metal, burnt, I don't know, burnt everything. I don't know if it was that guy's car, that black guy that was standing right there, but he's been there since I walked the first time. And he's standing there on the phone with like a bunch of stuff in the street. Like, yeah, him. Man, let me just hurry up. I'll see you guys there. I'm at the laundromat and it's so hot in here. I'm sweating. I already loaded my clothes up. I'm just waiting now. I forgot my Nintendo Switch at the house, so I have nothing to do because my boyfriend took my phone to use City Bike. And I did stop at the deli to get this water and some change, some cash back. But yeah, let me show you guys the laundromat I'm at. This is my first time because we used to have a washing machine, but it broke. So now we have to come here. My phone camera looks so different than my camera. That's my machine. It's really empty. It's a small location. There's a mirror behind me. That's about it. No TVs. But he brought me my phone. So now I can use my freaking phone. Who's texting me? I did that shit, bro. There's somebody arguing outside of the laundromat. I want to show you guys. Camera doesn't zoom in enough. I'm gonna try to get it on my phone for y'all. BRB. But I've been doing that challenge every day. There's people coming in laughing because they're arguing right outside the laundromat. Let me show you guys on my phone.
Tell me how have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girl I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine.
It's literally a dog in the window barking at a dog in the street. He's barking at this dog. The dog got issues.
Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. You're making me want to say oh. So you're trying to leave this.
I'm all set. Ooh, it's hot. Alright, y'all, so we just finished washing all the clothes. We folded it, we packed it up. Now we're heading home. My boyfriend's actually gonna go get a haircut And I'm gonna go upstairs and put all this stuff away. And then he's gonna text me when I gotta meet up with him again to go find the shorts and stuff because we didn't get it in that store. It's so bright and hot out here, like damn. It's 11:56 and I'm sitting inside of my building's office, like their rental office here, because I need the paper, the receipt for my rent. Thank you. Opening this door gives me anxiety. Thank you. Go ahead. Oh, thank you. Have a nice day, okay? You guys saw me struggling with my key. Let me push the elevator so it can start coming while I check the mail. We've got mail. Close before somebody comes. Alright, guys. We're officially home, but not for long because I gotta go back downstairs. And then we come back and officially start getting ready for our flight. Ah, I'm so ready. Right now I'm recording on my iPhone 8C. A little bit of everything quality. But yeah, my camera's charging. It's on 27%. It charges pretty fast actually for a camera. Like it's like a cellular device or something. It just charges pretty quickly. I also got my boyfriend's phone charging because it's completely dead. Let me go get me some water or some juice or something to cool down because I feel overheated, like I'm about to just give out. I've been doing a lot back to back this morning, so I'm so stressed about this trip. Let's just get something together. See you guys when I'm probably at the 99-cent store. Why is it so hot in here? What is that? Water gun. Why does this water gun look like a BB gun? You see that? The water guns from back in my days used to be little clear ones where you could actually see the water and they were so tiny. I wish I was taller so I could feel that fan because I see the thingies, the wrappers moving up there. But I don't feel it. What he said? Huh? Oh, thank you. Oh, goodness. Hot in here. Extra large. Dang. It's not my size. It wasn't meant for me. They're not what?
Hopefully they're not blood over there.
Blood?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
They're not the blood.
Pendejo. I was like, the fuck you mean blood in the water, you fucking slow bitch? We're done. We got the goods. Let's go pack our bags and we're done. We gotta go back inside?
I need to buy this one.
Thank you.
Amazon, right?
I got it from the website. Right here, the name, DJI. Yeah, okay, now we got the goods. Let's go home and pack. I may pack later because I got to do my brother's hair. I'm already packed. I just got to repack. He got to pack. But yeah, let's go. Hey, y'all. It's 2:40 a.m. I'm so tired. My boyfriend just woke me up from the mini nap I tried to take. That was like 20 minutes, 25. I'm so tired. I'm usually asleep at like 7 p.m. Yeah, I go to sleep early. My body is so tired, but we're getting ready. We're like, my boyfriend's getting his last couple things together. Then we're gonna call a cab. We're not taking the train anymore. We're gonna call a cab to the airport and hopefully we have no issue at the airport 'cause I'm so tired. See you guys at the airport because I don't even know what I'm saying. Like.